how to sign in KakaoTalk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to KakaoTalk. If you're new to the app or just need a little help getting started, I'll walk you through the process. So let's get started. First things first, download KakaoTalk app and simply open it. Now that the app is open, you'll see the KakaoTalk welcome screen. If you've never signed in before, you should see a login page. Simply click on sign up and tap on it. Now what you need to do is agree to the terms and services. Simply click on agree and continue. Now what you need to do is simply enter the phone number. Firstly, enter the country code and enter your phone number. Now you'll be prompted to send a verification message. Simply click on send verification message and simply click on send. Now what you need to do is simply tap on check verification. It may take a couple of seconds. After it's verified, simply you'll be logged into create new Kakao account page. Simply now you have to create a new password, enter it twice. After you've done that, you'll be logged into next page. What you need to do is simply enter your name, date of birth and gender, which is optional. And after you've done that, your KakaoTalk account will be created.